Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install BakkesMod on Rocket League on PC. So first of all, you want to go to your browser and go to BakkesPlugins.com. After that, at the top you will see BakkesMod with the arrow, and then you will see download BakkesMod. You want to go ahead and click on that. After that, you will have your BakkesMod zip file here on your desktop or somewhere in your downloads. All you need to do now is go ahead, click extract all, and now you will have this BakkesMod setup file. Click on it, and after that you will see here BakkesMod setup. All you need to do is double click on it. Then you're gonna go ahead and click yes, and then you will see this setup. You can either create a desktop shortcut or not. Then you're gonna click next, install, and it will basically install. Now, after you've done that, as you can see, the BakkesMod is now opened up. Do not close it up. Now you want to open up Rocket League. So go ahead to your Epic Games Launcher and launch it. Now, after this, you will need to choose either use BakkesMod's free play bindings or Physonics. Basically, choose any of those you like. And then you're gonna need to click F2 or FN2. F2. At least it is for me. And after that, as you can see, there's lots of plugins and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it, how to install BakkesMod in your Rocket League on PC. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.